Yo, what's up boys, this is Bboy Virus representing the Underdog Combat Crew from Mumbai, India. And I'm here to teach you 5 basic things that you need to know to start breaking. Guys, here are a few important things I need to tell you about breaking. There are 4 important elements. First, top rock. Second, footwork. Third, freeze. And fourth, palm moves. And I'm slowly going to break down all these 4 elements to you step by step. But before that, doing any activity, you need to make sure that you stretch and warm up. Very important. The first basic top rock I'm going to teach you is the cross step. It's very basic, very simple, because it's important. You need to know how to rock. So you cross hands first. You move your right leg ahead. Come back. Now the left. Come back. So let's go again in 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, and 4, back. There's a lot of hand gestures you can change. A lot of things that you can add on to. Okay, so let's do it on music. Cue music. Moving on to the second variation of top rock is the side step. Another basic step. Here it goes. Kick, step, move out. Same leg returns. Kick, step, move out. Now with your hands. So kick, step, open. Kick, step, open. So moving on to the next is footwork, but there's a slight information that I want to give you. From top rock to footwork, there's something called as go down. Okay, so I'm going to just show you a basic go down, drop. Okay, it's as simple. You just got to slowly place your knee down, switch, turn a bit, switch, and back. You need to finish on this version. Show it to you once again. Make sure you don't bang your knees. Go slow in the start. If you think that you still like the move and you still want to do it, you can wear knee pads or whatever. Okay, so you go 1, change, 2, switch, 3, come back, 4. Now in this position, you make sure that you're straight, you're not touching your knees, neither you're on your flat feet. Straight up. Alright, I'm going to show you the hook right now. Go, cap. Alright, so hooks. I'm sure everybody knows what's a hook, alright? Footwork position, as I showed you guys before. On your toes, straight up, hands down. Next to your feet, both hands. If the right leg's out, make sure both hands on the right side. You hook, come back. In the same way, change the directions. Left leg out, both hands on the left side. Hook, come back. Make sure you don't lose your posture. You don't go like this, alright? Don't go like this. Make sure you're always on your toe because it looks clean. That's the clean form. Alright? So straight right leg out, both hands on the right side. You hook, come back. Change to the left side, hook, come back. Alright, so moving ahead with the second basic footwork, I want to show you. Here's how it looks like. Again, same, you need to be on a basic version of footwork. Hands close to your body. Start with the right hand now. You go diagonally. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So this is how it looks when you go a little bit faster. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Once you learn this, again progressively, you're gonna get this step. It's time for freeze. And the most basic freeze that you can learn is the baby freeze. I'm just going to show you. Don't panic. Freeze is nothing but a stance that you can hold. Alright? So it could be any posture, any frame, any pose that you can hold. For a beginner, I would show you something like this. Alright, there are some other few freezes that I would want to show you. Some of it is chair freeze, to the headstand, to the elbow freeze, and to the air freeze. So now let's put everything together and see how it looks like. Cue music.